All right, Amazon came today. Got my rear windshield wiper and arm. So I was going to show you guys. So my arm itself it works fine. Everything works on it. It's perfectly fine. But there's a crack right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. The crack right here in the plastic, and this plastic feels like it's getting a little brittle, I guess you could call it. So decided there was a sale on Amazon, and so I went for it. I think it was like $13. So we'll see how this looks, and should be a exact replacement because it's exact fit to my car. So we'll see what it looks like. All right, what do we got first? We got, ooh, soft. Kind of like neat little towel. And we got our wiper. We got that out of the box. We got the arm. There is the arm. And there is, oh, comes with the tool. That's pretty cool. Got the tool, the nut. Here is the arm. So those aren't wanting to work on that plastic. Nice new plastic. Goes on there like that. Supposed to be able to lock it out. And that one locks out. With the wiper. It does have this little plastic stuff. It said in the directions, remove the plastic protector before installation. It says right there on the box. Not sure if you can hear my dogs. They're barking up a storm inside. Oh, you know why? Because it's feeding time. Thank you, wifey, for feeding the dogs. All right. So what we got here. So this is supposed to be able to take the nut off. All right, let's go over here. So it looks like this plastic piece just pops right off. Yeah, see, so the crack right there. But I'm going to keep hanging on to that. And I'm going to hang on to this just in case. But would you look at that? Perfectly fits. That's nice they include the tool. Their nut actually does look better. There's a comparison on nuts. This one has locking stuff on it. That's kind of cool. Supposed to be able to just pop this bad boy off, or so I thought. Oh, There's a washer on there. Doesn't look like anything should be gripping on it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that is a little bit different. So this one's got teeth, and this one does not have teeth. I'm hoping that that won't be an issue. All right, we're going to clean the window though. Might as well get it fully clean while everything's off of it. Some people do rear wiper delete. I'm just not sure about that. What are your guys' thoughts? Put in the comments. Do you like wiper deletes? I mean, I live in Wyoming, so I definitely use my rear wiper. I mean, we get rain, we get snow. Definitely use. I need to redo that vinyl too. Yeah, hopefully that grooves aren't going to be an issue. All right, let's see what we got here. We want it. Oh, might as well put the blade on there. So this actually matches up just like that. Like it pops right down in there. Pops on just like that. Nice smooth look. And I like this little piece right here for the rear defrost. Makes it so your windshield wiper does not get frozen down to your back window. Oh, we cannot forget to remove this. All right. Oh. Right about there. I think wherever I put it and tighten it down, that's where it's going to be. Does not like to stay up though. More little tighten. Nope, that's it. All right. The nice cover on there. Little things that pop in right there. Boom. All nice and new. Yep, yep, yep. Okay. I guess we need to turn on, make sure it works. You guys stay back here and watch it. You gotta look at it. What do you got? Oops. What do you guys think? I think that's going to work good. Yes, sirree, Bob. And I'm definitely going to keep the old one just in case. You never know. All right. Please like and subscribe. Let's get that algorithm going for me.